Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Jamb past questions effectively. First, understand the exam structure and question types thoroughly. Identify your strengths and weaknesses across all subjects. Then, develop a structured study plan for consistent progress. This foundational approach ensures you're not just answering questions, but truly learning and improving your performance for the actual examination. Next, engage in active learning. Solve past questions under strict timed conditions, just like the real exam. After completing a set, review all answers meticulously, understanding why each choice is correct or incorrect. Pay special attention to topics where you frequently make mistakes, as this highlights areas needing more study and practice. To truly improve, analyze your performance. Keep a record of your scores and track your progress over time. Identify recurring topics and common question patterns that appear in past exams. For challenging concepts, create concise summary notes to aid memorization and understanding. This systematic review helps solidify your knowledge and boosts confidence. Finally, remember these crucial tips for success. Practice regularly, aiming for at least 2 hours daily to build endurance and knowledge. Stay consistent with your study schedule and avoid last-minute cramming. Most importantly, maintain a positive mindset and believe in your abilities to achieve your desired Jamb score. Good luck with your preparation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.